welcome and join Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes GL550 model, and I'm going to replace turn signal lights, and I'm going to replace it with LEDs, and those form ALLA lighting. ALLA, ALLA lighting. Very easy and simple process to change turn signal lights. Without wasting in time, let's get started. I have received the product, and the lights I'm going to use from ALLA lighting. I will provide the link under my description. Please check it out in case if you want to replace it on Mercedes GL550. The turn signal light. These are LED lights and they are really nice light. I will show you the comparison at night time. OEM light versus LED light. Once you're going to see it, you're going to say, wow, I like it. This is the left side. Look at how bright signal light look. And if we look at on this side, and this is the original OEM bulb. That bulb, you can see it, OEM light. And this is LED bulb. So nice and bright. So if we look at from far, the original, the right side, and the left side is LED. Now the question will be, do I'm going to get an error on my Mercedes dash screen? The answer will be no. ALLA lighting provided these turn signal lights error free. They have built-in Canbus driver. You do not need any extra resistor to add with your lighting. Let's open the trunk. These are the original OEM bulb. These LED bright lights. These are perfect lights. So this is the right side looks. You need a flathead screwdriver. You turn it and it opens up. This is the latch, you open it. And then you pull it out. So once you open it, you will see the lighting back there. What do you need to do? This is the cable. You press it from the side edges. This is the connector. The way it works, you press this side and this side. Press it like this. Once you press it, it opens it. You see this latch, one on this side, one on this side. Grab with the both thumb and finger, you press it inside, and you do it, it opens up. Then you pull this back. So once you pull it, then you rotate it like this. Then slowly, nicely, you take it out. This is the turn signal light. This is the amber color. We're going to get the LED. These are small dimples. You put it in and then you turn it around. That's it. This is the comparison. This is the original and that's the LED. There are LED in the front and all sides. We're going to go inside. You don't have to rush it. You don't want to break any other bulb. So once you align it, you put it in, it nicely goes fit in. And I don't even have to press it. You heard that snap. So it locks in. And the connector, the one I showed to you, that's gonna go in there. So I'm going to press the connector. You heard the snap. So it locks in. And that's it. That's how it's easy and simple to change our turn signal lights. And I'm going to put this one back. We're going to close it. That's it. On this side, open the first aid box and this one comes out. This one has two plastic screws. You need a straight screwdriver. I already opened one and we're going to turn it this way. And it has also indicator open, close. Once it's open like this, then you lift up and this comes out. So you've seen how it's easy. And the same way I've done it on the other side. And we're going to close it. So these are the original OEM bulb. So this is how it's easy and simple to change your turn signal lights on your Mercedes GL550. It's very easy and simple process as I've shown you. You don't need to remove the whole assembly in order to change the light bulb. And this is the same way you can change the reverse light, you can change the brake light, and it's so simple. I hope this video is going to help you out in your DIY project. And if you like this video, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy steps. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye. So I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to show it to you how they look really nice in a bright, sunny daylight. That's the right. This is the left. As you can see, they're really bright, even in the daylight.